The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.
Court upheld for now the provision allowing local cops to check status. They upheld the provision requiring a check of immigration status for people otherwise detained. Ice cream parlors are not de facto detention centers for illegals, so the president lost on that point. Well, Stern, what are you talking about? Grab soundbite number 4. What are you talking about? Ice cream parlor. Well, April 28, 2010, in Ottumwa, Iowa, Indian Hills Community College, Obama had a town meeting, and he got this question. I was wondering what your plan was for our undocumented workers who helped establish this country.
This law that just passed in Arizona, which I think is a poorly conceived law, you can imagine if you are a Hispanic American in Arizona, your great-grandparents may have been there before Arizona was even a state. But now suddenly, if you don't have your papers and you took your kid out to get ice cream, you're going to be harassed. That's something that could potentially happen. That's not the right way to go.
So the court upheld for now the provision allowing local cops to check status, upheld the provision requiring a check of immigration status for people otherwise detained, and ice cream parlors are not now de facto detention centers. So Obama lost the ice cream provision, parlor provision. For example, if Obama, here's the way to understand it. If Obama, President Kardashian, if you're under 25, if President Kardashian were arrested for driving without a license, say in Kenya, would he object to them checking to see if he's a Kenyan citizen or not? His grandparents were in Kenya before most people were in Kenya. Just like people were in the ice cream parlors in Arizona before there was an Arizona. That's what he said in Ottumwa, Iowa. People in Arizona before there was an Arizona. And Obama, I'm sure, has got relatives in Kenya before there was a Kenya.
The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.